Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 1 dirham ng United Arab of Emirates na mayroon taon na 2007. So share ko sa inyo guys ang kanyang napakagandang history dahil ito ay napaka-rare pala dahil simula ito noong 1973. The oldest coin in United Arab of Emirates, the UAE dirham, was put in circulation for the first time on 19th May 1973. Following this, Qatari and Dubai Riyal and the Bahraini dinar were replaced within weeks at the rate of 1 dirham for Riyal and 10 dirhams for 1 dinar. So ito yung ating history guys. The name dirham is a loan from the Greek due to the currencies of trade and usage of the currency dirhams survived through the Ottoman Empire. Before 1966, all the Emirates that now form UAE used the gold rupee, which was figured at the parity to the Indian rupee. On 6 June 1966, India decided to devalue the gold rupee against the Indian rupee, not accepting the devaluation. Several at the states still using the gold rupee adopted their own or other currencies. All the Trucial states except the Abu Dhabi adopted the Qatar and Dubai Riyal, which was equal to the gold rupee prior to devaluation. These Emirates briefly adopted the Saudi Riyal during the transition from the gold rupee to Qatar and Dubai Riyal. Abu Dhabi used the Bahraini dinar at the rate of 10 gold rupees is equivalent to 1 dinar. In 1973, the UAE adopted the UAE dirham as the currency. Abu Dhabi adopted the UAE dirham in place of Bahraini dinar at 1 dinar is equivalent to 10 dirhams. While in the other Emirates and the Qatar and Dubai Riyal were exchanged at par. In coins, in 1973, coins were introduced in denominations of 1, 5, 10, 25 and 50 pels and 1 dirhams. The 1 and 5 and 10 pels are struck in bronze with the higher denomination in Caphron nickel. The pels coins were the same size and composition as the corresponding Qatar and Dubai dirham coins. In 1995, the 5 pels, 10 pels, 50 pels, and 1 dirham coin were reduced in size, with the new 50 pels being curved, equilateral, heptagonal shape. The value and the numbers of the coin are written in Eastern Arabic numerals, and the text is in Arabic. The 1, 5, and 10 pels coins are rarely used in everyday life, so all amounts are rounded up or down to the nearest multiples of 25 pels. The 1 pels coin is a rarity and does not circulate significantly. In making a change, there is a risk of confusing the old 50 pels coin for the modern of 1 dirham coin because the coins are almost the same in size. Since 1976, the Currency Board of UAE has minted the several commemorative coins celebrating the different events and rulers of the UAE. Issues with fraud. By August 2006, it's become publicly known that the Philippine 1 peso coin is the same size as 1 dirham. As a 1 peso is only worth of 8 pels. This has led to vending machine fraud in the United Arab of Emirates. Pakistan 5 rupee coin, the Omani 50 paisa coin, and the Moroccan 1 dirham are also the same in size as the Emirati 1 dirham coin. All tot 1 millimeter thinner and 1 dirham notes to prevent fraud.